The phone camera went off, so it's gonna be going to the part 2 of this installation. So right now it's fairly easy. Just tighten the screw. I don't know, you'll be able to see. Okay. As the video go, I'm probably gonna just put 2 screws to demonstrate. Oh, sorry, it's the wrong one. Okay. And then now just drawing 2 together. Make sure the teeth align with the notches here. You hear the clicking sound. Oh, okay. Oh, you see, right now it's a locking position. You see there is like a bump here. It's supposed to go into the notch of here. Okay, goes to here. So all you need to do is pressing down this button and turning. Okay, turning it freely. Make sure this align with one of those notches. With one of those notches here. Oh, so first of all, you have to find those teeth. Teeth right here, the teeth that will goes into here. And all you need to do is pressing down the button. Come on. Okay, align it and then turn the color. It's really hard to turn because nothing holding it. If it's already on your steering column, you won't struggle like I do. But you already got the idea, so that's the way that for installation. Without the steering column, the bottom part is moving around. It's really for giving me a hard time, trying to stabilize the bottom. So it takes some effort, but just don't have to force it in. Just try to find the clicking sound, or you will be able to know when you install it. This should be the end of the video. Hope that help to answer some of your question.